Let me show you how we machine this aluminum mounting bracket. We start from extruded aluminum, cut to equal pieces. We need to machine two sides in order to produce this particular product. Let's start with the first side. Here we machine the rounded edges. Next, we machine a cavity and 4 threaded holes. As you can see, we use a lot of cooling fluid. This is necessary to reduce the wearing of the cutting tools. Our CNC machines have fast movement in 3-axis, and a high rotation speed of the cutting tools. Next, there are 24 tools, stored in the tool changer. With the rapid tool change, we can switch different cutting tools during the milling process. On another machine, we do the milling of the second side of the product. Here, we machine a cavity for the cover plate, and 3 slots for fixation of the bracket. In order to speed up the manufacturing, we mount 2 parts to the machine. This saves a lot of time, and as such, it reduces the manufacturing cost of the product. Did you notice how long the shaft of the cutting tool is? This is necessary in order to machine so close to the upstanding wall. Such a long shaft can cause vibration of the cutting tool and rough machined edges. In addition, it can cause the mill to break and destroy the product. Therefore, we have to fix the product well and adjust the processing parameters of the machine. After machining each side, we measure the important dimensions of the aluminum part. We want to be sure the part is perfectly made following the drawing and specifications. Even the threaded holes are verified. The result is a perfect aluminum bracket and a happy customer. If you want us to machine your products, then send us your drawings at info@metrontechnics.be. We will certainly give you our best quote.